Hello! Welcome to our Drawing Lessons channel. Today, we will be drawing
the zombie hand.
To do this, you will need colored pencils or markers, a black marker, your hands, and a drawing pad.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up, and hit the bell icon. Lucky!
Let's start drawing the zombie hand. For this, we'll need our hands. Place one hand like this on the drawing pad. Just like that. Let's position our hands here.
Mom is the zombie, and the daughter is the zombie. And for me, I'll have the older zombie daughter.
Exactly. Now, we begin outlining our hands with a black marker. Outline each finger except one, for example, this finger.
Mom, what should we do with this finger?
I'll show you in a moment.
Mom, can I start drawing?
Yes, but don't draw one finger.
I want to draw a purple hand.
First, make sure to outline the hand nicely. Just don't draw one finger. Well done! Now, look. Our hand is emerging from the ground, so we need to draw the ground right here, as if the zombie is coming out. We'll also draw the ground for Maya. Now, let's draw a bone in place of one of the fingers. We'll draw one for Maya too. Now, let's draw the nails on our hands.
Mom, can I draw multicolored nails? The hand will be purple.
Now, look, we'll draw scars on the hand, like Frankenstein's monster.
Oh, Mom, my hand looks very scary.
Here, we've finished drawing our zombie hands. We have 3 hands. Now we can put away the black marker and take colored markers to color our drawings. Here you go. You wanted purple, but first, I'd like to draw bloodstains with red color on the hand. Now, take the red markers and color. I'll color my hand too.
So, shall we show how they turned out?
Let's do it.